If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Gala video update. Alright, so we are looking quite good, and this is for the first time that on the weekly time frame it's been like from the all-time high. I think this coin has been a huge discount and we were down 97%, which is pretty huge. So let's start the TA once again. So from there to there I'm going to remove the drawings, I'm going to remove the EMAs. Let's look if we broke the downtrend. So starting from there to there, that actually looks like a break of a downtrend, guys. That is a break of a downtrend, okay? So which is pretty good, pretty amazing. Number one, you've broken the downtrend. If I dive into the daily, it's clear. It's very, very, very clear that you actually broke the downtrend. Now, unfortunately, when you break a trend, what do? That's a simple question. When you break a trend, you backtest a trend, which you didn't do so. So you guys have to be careful because you might be looking for a drop down for Gala to 2274. And my only claim for this, I'm not saying it's going to happen. Sometimes rare case, only a trader is going to understand that in rare case, you don't even backtest things and you just shoot up. Okay, can it happen? Let it happen if some of you just want to be bullish for no reason. But for me personally, when you break a trend, you backtest a trend. And on the daily, you haven't done that. So if in the future, you do come down here to 2257 to backtest this trend line and then bounce off here, that will be way better and way safe for a proper move to the upside. And that's something that, happens normally, because when you talk about this one, that actually ends up being like an A, B, C correction, and then you just move to the upside as well. So that's my take. The second thing is we have a resistance up here. So boom, okay, that's one resistance as well. So you got to keep that in mind. And right now Gala is super overbought. Okay, super overbought. I think we have some headlines for Gala as well. May 16, there's a lot of news, but these were older news. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that one and push it down. So right now, if you look at the RSI, I don't think it's a good idea to enter, because the last time you went up on the RSI was back in November 2021, and you can see that's the same resistance. So this is not a buying zone. Of course, the buying zone before, I told you, when it was nearly here, 25, okay? So some people bought it here, they ride it all the way up there, and I think they're already up by nearly 57% move up. But now you really overbought, okay? It's not a good idea. It's like the worst idea. But one thing is that you have to keep in mind that, to me personally, this is resistance previously. Now you're at the same resistance as well, and you have to backtest the trend line or the downtrend that you broke. So my take is a move down to 2390 being your next technical target. So turn on your bell notification if you want to get regular updates. Do comment on this video if you want to get the normal updates on Gala as well, because I do think this is bound to happen. Okay, big green candles, big red candles, but this is a back test. The next entry opportunity, personally to me, I would even like to enter Gala cheap, and that is when it actually comes down for a back test here, and if it holds the back test, boom, amazing. You bottom out and you continue to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this update on Gala. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.